Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life, wishing there was a simple way to find some peace? What if I told you there's a way to calm your mind and bring balance to your day, and it only takes a few minutes? In today's video, we're diving into the world of mindfulness, a practice that anyone can master, regardless of experience. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or just feel more present, these techniques are for you. So take a deep breath, and let's get started on this journey to a calmer, more mindful you. 1. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can help you navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease. At its core, mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Many people think mindfulness is complicated or requires years of meditation practice, but that's not the case. It's something you can start right now, wherever you are. Mindfulness is about bringing your awareness to the here and now, rather than getting caught up in worries about the past or future. The beauty of mindfulness is its simplicity. It doesn't require any special equipment or a lot of time. All it takes is a willingness to slow down and pay attention. Whether you're at work, at home, or even in the middle of a busy day, you can practice mindfulness. And the best part, the more you do it, the easier it becomes to find that sense of calm and focus in your everyday life. 2. The benefits of mindfulness. Why should you consider adding mindfulness to your daily routine? The benefits are numerous and can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Firstly, mindfulness is a powerful stress reducer. By focusing on the present moment, you can break the cycle of stress that often comes from worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Research has shown that regular mindfulness practice can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, helping you to feel more relaxed and in control. Another major benefit is improved focus and concentration. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get distracted, but mindfulness helps train your brain to stay on task. By regularly practicing mindfulness, you can improve your ability to concentrate on what's important, whether it's work, study, or personal projects. Mindfulness also fosters emotional resilience. It teaches you to observe your thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. This means you can respond to challenges with a clearer mind rather than reacting impulsively. Over time, this can lead to greater emotional stability and a more balanced outlook on life. Finally, mindfulness enhances your overall sense of well-being. It encourages you to slow down and appreciate the small things in life, which can lead to greater satisfaction and happiness. In a world that often feels rushed and chaotic, mindfulness offers a way to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. 3. Simple mindfulness techniques for beginners. Now that we've covered what mindfulness is and why it's beneficial, let's dive into some simple techniques that you can start using today. These practices are designed to be easy to integrate into your daily routine, no matter how busy you are. 1. Mindful breathing. This is one of the simplest yet most effective mindfulness techniques. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, and sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold your breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe, pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Try this for just 5 minutes a day to start, and gradually increase the time as you feel comfortable. 2. Body scan meditation. This technique helps you connect with your body and release tension. Start by lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Begin by focusing on your toes, noticing any sensations you feel there. Gradually move your attention up through your feet, legs, torso, arms, and finally, your head. As you focus on each part of your body, notice any areas of tension and imagine breathing into them, allowing the tension to release. This practice can be done in 10 to 20 minutes and is great for unwinding after a long day. 3. Mindful eating. How often do we eat on autopilot, barely noticing the taste of our food? Mindful eating encourages you to slow down and savor each bite. The next time you eat, Take a moment to appreciate the colors, smells, and textures of your food. Chew slowly and pay attention to the flavors and sensations in your mouth. Not only can this make eating more enjoyable, but it can also help you develop a healthier relationship with food. 4. Walking meditation. If sitting still isn't your thing, walking meditation might be for you. Find a quiet place where you can walk slowly and without distractions. As you walk, pay attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the movement of your legs, and the rhythm of your breath. Try to focus solely on the act of walking, letting go of any thoughts that come to mind. This can be a great way to clear your head and reconnect with your body. 5. Mindful listening. This technique is all about being fully present when someone is speaking to you. Whether you're having a conversation with a friend, a colleague, or even a family member, make a conscious effort to listen without interrupting or thinking about your response. Focus on their words, tone, and body language. This not only helps you become a better listener, but also deepens your connections with others. 6. 5 senses exercise. This is a quick and easy way to bring yourself back to the present moment, especially if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Simply pause and take note of 5 things you can see, 4 things you can hear, 3 things you can feel, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This exercise can be done anytime, anywhere, and is a great way to ground yourself in the present. 4. Integrating mindfulness into your daily routine. One of the biggest challenges for beginners is making mindfulness a regular part of their routine. The good news is that you don't need to carve out hours of your day to practice mindfulness. With a few small adjustments, you can easily integrate mindfulness into your daily life. Start with just a few minutes a day. It's better to practice for 5 minutes every day than for an hour once a week. This consistency helps to build the habit and makes mindfulness a natural part of your routine. You might start by practicing mindful breathing first thing in the morning or a body scan before bed. Pair mindfulness with activities you already do. For example, try practicing mindful breathing while you're waiting in line or mindful eating during meals. These small moments of mindfulness can add up, helping you to stay present throughout the day. Create a mindfulness reminder. Set a reminder on your phone or place a sticky note somewhere you'll see it regularly. This can prompt you to take a few mindful breaths or to check in with how you're feeling. Over time, this reminder will help mindfulness become second nature. Lastly, don't be too hard on yourself. Mindfulness is a practice, and it's normal to have days where your mind is more scattered. The important thing is to keep coming back to the practice, even if it's just for a few moments. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect, but to be present. 5. Start your mindfulness journey today. Mindfulness is a simple yet profound practice that can transform the way you experience life. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or simply find more joy in the everyday, mindfulness offers a path to a calmer, more centered you. Remember, mindfulness is not about being perfect, it's about being present. Start small, be patient with yourself, and know that every moment of mindfulness is a step toward greater well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living a mindful life. And if you've tried mindfulness before or have any tips for beginners, share your experience in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to a more mindful, peaceful life.